Not me. I could never. If sipping pina coladas on a beach in Cabo all day while making hundreds of dollars seems like a distant fairy tale, it actually can be done with dividend investing. The average 9-to-5 employee can realistically and practically become financially free and retire early with dividend investing. It's a reliable and consistent way to get passive income monthly. As you choose to invest in solid dividend companies, you are creating generational wealth brick by brick. Every dollar invested into dividend stocks creates a snowball effect until you can actually retire early and go on that beach in Cabo, because you know what? You deserve it. Dividend investing is a true form of passive income. You can live life how you please and get cash flow on a consistent basis. With everything that's happening in the economy, it's vital to choose the best and most reliable companies that truly value shareholders to hand your hard-earned cash to. Warren Buffett, the legendary investor, is on track to make over $600 million in dividends alone. And he said this: if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Make money work for you so you can live the life you please. Since the 1930s, dividends have accounted for 40% of total returns of the S&P 500. Needless to say, dividends are very important to anyone looking for passive income. As a brief overview, dividend stocks are companies that pay investors a certain amount of cash on a monthly or quarterly basis. Now let's say I own one share or slice of the company Apple. I will receive 23 cents every 3 months in passive income just for owning one share. Now, this money doesn't come from J. Powell's printer. It comes from Apple's excess revenue, and they want to reward shareholders.